Hello YouTube, hello everyone, I'm glad to see you here. Today is 11th of March and you know, there is something awful happens in the world. I'm from Russia and I'm really sorry that my country could have done something as horrible as it has. I totally don't support its actions. I don't understand why it's happening. And I'm terrified when I think about people in Ukraine and people in Russia as well. All of us are hostages. That mad person took over my country and now he tries to destroy our friends. All of this is terrible. I hope that everything is over as soon as possible. Speaking of Russian people, as you can see, Russian ruble feels not very well. Today is not the best time for ruble and for Russian and for Ukraine people. And there is another strange thing. Russian exchange market doesn't work, so even my small project doesn't get data. That's why I decided to change an API provider, so today we are going to speak about it, and we will protect the API getter from fatal errors. I made some investigation and found another service that fits for us. It is freecurrencyAPI.net. It is free, it allows to request data every hour. There is a small and easy example on PHP, so let's use it and change our getData from API method. There is an object that we will receive from the API. There are many currencies, but we will use dollar and euro again. Add a new private function into getData from API class. It will use a new service to get data. Let's add some necessary settings for curl library. Check if there is no errors and call this function from our invocable function. Decode data to JSON object and represent it on the website. We need to make new route for this method again. Edit, save everything and check the website. JSON object is here and we can check API statistic on freecurrency API. Okay, now we need to prepare data from JSON for inserting into database. We will save date and time, USD value and euro value. Firstly, let's show it on the page and check if it is alright. Echo date and echo currencies objects. There is price of Russian ruble. That much dollars I can buy for 1 ruble nowadays. As you can see, Russian government worked really effective. Okay, never mind. If you want to know how many rubles I can buy for $1, we need to do some calculations. And there are too many digits after comma, so use round function here and multiply by 10,000. Now we have the same data that we had from first API provider, and we don't need to change anything in the view layer. Let's save data into database. We already have eloquent comments for that. Update page and check that data is saved. Yes, works fine. Let's remove all unwanted code here and make this method return true if everything is okay. But what if something goes wrong? When we use remote API, we cannot be sure that request is always right and the answer looks like we expected. For example, if we didn't get correct object from API here, our code in invoke method wouldn't work right. Frankly, we would get fatal error, and it is not good. I would like to avoid this situation and add try and catch block here. If code in the try block doesn't work properly, we will find an error in the catch block and display it on the page. In this case, we can see the message from the error exception, but there is no fatal error, and it is much better. Let's make a patch here in order to let database work correctly, and remember this step for the next video. Don't forget to upload new changes to the Git repository. And this is all I wanted to show you today. Let's finish this video. Next time we will speak about the Telegram Messenger and important notifications from our application. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next video.